Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how to create an event that repeats every 12 months on a specific day of the month. So for example, let's say you have an event that happens the first Tuesday of every September. How would you set that up in Google Calendar? You're going to go, first of all, to the first Tuesday of September, which is the 5th of September. Click on Create and Event, and then I'm going to put in a very creative title here. I'm then going to click in Doesn't Repeat and Custom. And then here I'm going to say repeats every 12 months and then monthly on the first Tuesday. So this is setting up an event that will repeat on the first Tuesday in September every year. It's never going to end. Click on Done and Save. Click on the search bar. And if I do that, you can see every September and the dates themselves are changing depending on what is the first Tuesday in September. The key to this is to remember to set your event up on the day that you want, whether that's the first Tuesday in September, the third Sunday in May. Start your event there and then create the repeat from there.